Hello dear students, this is tutorial 5 on the chapter 11, that is marketing chapter. The topic I'm going to discuss today is marketing management philosophies. Well, let's have a recap of our early tutorials. In the last 4 tutorials, we have already learned the meaning of market, the meaning of marketing, the features of marketing, the concept of product in marketing, the meaning of marketer, meaning and definition of marketing management, and differences between marketing and selling. I believe from all those discussions, you already have a clear idea about marketing management. In today's tutorial, you are going to learn various marketing management philosophies. Philosophy means thinking or attitude that guides the behavior. Now, when it is said as marketing management philosophy, you can derive the meaning as the thinking or the attitude which guides the behavior of marketer. The concept or philosophy of marketing has evolved over a period of time. It is not a one-day development. This development takes place since long years back. If the various marketing management philosophies are analyzed, a transition or shift in the emphasis given by the marketer is notable. As I already told you, philosophies means the thinking or the attitude that guides the behavior. Now here in marketing management, you will find that where the focus given by the marketer. The transition can be presented as you have seen in the slide. First, the origination of the production concept, or you can say the production philosophy. After the production concept, the product concept has developed. After the product concept, the selling concept developed. Then comes the marketing concept, and after that, the societal marketing concept. Now, these marketing management philosophies are evolving continuously. Let's have a discussion in detail. The production concept. In this philosophy, the emphasis given on large scale production, since it was believed that profits could be maximized by producing at large scale. Large scale production reduces the average cost of production. Now, this is a case or this is a situation in the earlier days of industrial revolution, when the machinery goods were invented, and because of that mass production was possible. And if mass production or large scale production is undertaken, the average cost of production reduces, and through that marketer can increase their profit. It was considered that availability and affordability of the products are key to success of a business firm, and that is possible through large scale production. Now, as the production concept flows or as it gains its popularity, gradually the competition also increases and many new firms comes in the market, and as a result they the business firm, they have to face stiff competition, and thereby they change their thinking or they change their focus. The product concept developed where the marketer give focus on the quality of products rather than quantity of products. So as I told you that as competition rises, many new firms, that means many new firms come in the market, and to uh, to win that competition, they need to give the focus, or they need to give importance more on the quality of the product. Continuous improvement in the products become the key to success or profit maximization for a firm. After the product concept, as the days passes, now adding new feature to the product or improving the product no more works, and therefore marketers now they delve into aggressive marketing by using various selling techniques, and this is the selling philosophy or the selling concept. The growing competition in the market shifted the emphasis of the marketer to persuade customers to buy their products and put more selling efforts than earlier. Aggressive selling and promotional efforts characterize this philosophy. Use of advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and many other selling tools or selling techniques is a feature of the selling philosophy. After the selling concept or the selling philosophy, the marketing philosophy come in the context. This philosophy emphasizes on customer satisfaction, as it was found that it is difficult to sustain in the long run, ignoring the needs of customers. Understanding the needs of customers, say what features customers like to have in the product, how much price customers are willing to pay, these matters are focused more in this philosophy. Generating customer value is an essential point in this philosophy. The societal marketing concept is an extension of the marketing concept. This philosophy emphasizes on well-being of the greater society besides customer satisfaction. Apart from the customer satisfaction, marketer pays attention to the social, ethical, and ecological aspects of marketing. For example, the concern for deforestation, population explosion, girl child education, and many other social issues. To conclude, marketing philosophies are evolving with the societal changes, and it continues to evolve. The remarkable shift in the focus of the marketer in the evolving philosophies can be presented as from production to product, from product to selling techniques and tools, from selling techniques and tools to customer satisfaction, from customer satisfaction to well-being of the greater society along with the customers. So in this tutorial, we have discussed the marketing philosophies. These marketing philosophies are evolving, or it continues to evolve. And as I said, that as the society changes, the focus or the attention of the marketers also changes, and therefore you will find various philosophies at various point of time or at various period in the history. Now with this, I'm concluding today's tutorial. Thank you.